Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to sell using Maestro Sniper code. So this process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps. I'll show you guys in this video. Now, in order to avoid scam bots, I'll provide a link in the description to this code as well. Make sure to use the authenticated one. And once you are done with that, go and hit the start button or you can simply go and type /start. And once you type in, it will show you a message such as this one. Now, in order to access the board, you need to follow both of these pages. And once you're done with that, simply go and type in /sniper like this. And once you do that, it will open up a menu such as this one. Here, go and click on this what is option. And once you click on it, select the chain in which you want to trade on. For example, here I'm going to select Solana. And in order to generate a Solana wallet, you can go and click on this create wallet button and it will give you a wallet address. Copy and paste it on your other Solana wallet in order to put some Solana in your mystery board. Once you're done with that, here we're going to go and paste in the address of the token that we want to buy or sell. For example, here go and type in the address. And after pasting the token address, it will show you some of the information about that token. For example, here I have pasted the token address of Amy. It will show you its contract address, its liquidity pool, and some of the other information. Now here we will switch from buying to selling. And here's like the amount of token that you want to sell. And you can also go and like sell X SOL in order to specify the amount that you want to sell. And if you have multiple tokens, you can go and select this option right here. And here you need to reply to this message with the amount of tokens you wish to sell. So if you have multiple tokens, you can type in 2, 3, and it will list all that tokens and you can go and sell them. Well, that's how you can sell using Mr. Sniper Board. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you guys in the next